The Signature Duty Jacket provides complete and modular weather protection ideally suited to a broad range of patrol climates. The wind and water repellent nylon shell keeps you dry and comfortable, while the zip-out, bloodborne pathogen-resistant quilted liner provides superior on-the-job protection. This jacket comes with a roll-up removable hood and a waterproof breathable construction. Underarm zippers offer increased ventilation when the weather warms up. Zippers at the side seams provide unrestricted access to your sidearm. Bi-swing back ensures full range of motion, and a pull-out ID panel at the back supports a law enforcement identification patch. This jacket also features our 511 hidden document pockets. The backup belt system front storage pockets allow you to customize your accessories as you see fit. This is the 511 Signature Duty Jacket.